Okay.
So it's called the name Shore Temple, 1300 years old. The temple built by Pallava dynastic, the king. The Narasimhavarman to build this temple. We have here 7 temple, 6 temple inside the sea water. Only 1 temple is left now. So the sea water, the tsunami came, the sea water came on the top of the temple. The water came on the top of the temple, nothing happened. No broken. The water just reached in the gate. So we have here 2 Shiva temple and 1 Vishnu temple. 2 Shiva temple, 1 Vishnu temple. This is not made of one stone by stone. What do you think? Is it made of one rock or what do you think?
Must be one rock, right?
It's not one rock. It's made stone by stone. They don't use any cement.
So that means stone by stone இந்த நம்ம கோயில்ல கோபுரம்லாம் செய்றாங்க. ஒண்ணொண்ணா கேக்குறாங்க அந்த மாதிரியா?
So there are another 6 more in the sea bed.
6 temple inside the sea water. Sir.
How we know it's inside there?
Yeah, people see before. Now also the tsunami time, the water went very far away. We saw 2 temples.
And then the one Narendra Modi that day when
Yeah,
and did.
this is a desert temple. Narendra Modi, Xi Jinping came to visit only this temple.
You went undersea in India.
What?
He went to the sea bed and then did some other thing. Narendra Swami went diving into the sea bed.
Not here, not here. Why he going to diving?
He recently did what?
He doing for Rameshwaram to doing some meditation to open the temple in Ramar temple. Raman temple that he need to take some water from the Rameshwaram. The open day he going to bring. That day he went inside the sea to do meditating.
Okay, so this here got only this temple na, huh?
This temple is only the active temple long time ago. Now no more active temple.
Okay, you got carvings all na. So last time Narendra Modi brought the Chinese.
Yes. China. Xi Jinping came to visit here
then
because of the Pallava king have a relative with the Chineseism.
And that one you can show us.
What sir?
And the drawing you can show. There's a Chinese drawing.
Yeah, Chinese drawing in the Chinese of lions is showing. Because the Pallava king already have with the business with the Yuan Singh. The Pallavas, one of the son, his name is Bodhidharman. He went in China. So that was have a relative.
Oh,
So
Pallava's son Bodhidharman.
Bodhidharman, he went in China to teach the Kung Fu everything. Kung Fu is not came from China, come from Tamil Nadu.
But
From Kanchipuram.
Until Surya movie, nobody knows what.
Yes,
When
sir.
Surya made the movie, then only they know.
No,
What
we
is-
know already before. Surya movie, all the history, the people come to here to find out the history. Surya director came here, we are telling the story. Surya asking in Mahabalipuram who was the original people, they asking some questions. And then after the movie came. Before Surya movie, we know this history.
You all know already now.
அதெல்லாம்
ராஜ சோழன்
No, this is
nothing to do with him
this is earlier than.
no names. What name she was? I don't know.
no there's a like Tiruvannamalai got this and the Arunachaleshwar
That is a fire. This is a normal Shiva.
is a normal one
Normal one.
Pallava was before Rajachola.
No, Pallava was the first dynasty. Raja Chola is all after. After Pallavas. Pallavas one of the biggest dynastic in South India. The lingam is a Shiva Parvati. That is called Somas Kandas. Brahma, Shiva, Vishnu. Somas means Shiva, Kandas means Kartikeya. That is called Somas Kandas.
Yeah, they are not praying here lah. No more. Just
No praying.
no
No
activities.
puja, nothing.
The Chinese character engineer. That one is.
நாங்க காட்டுறோம் வாங்க.
This is like elephant.
இங்க வாங்க சார்.
This elephant side la.
திருப்பி அங்கேயே காட்டணும் அதே தான் கேட்டேன்.
This இதெல்லாம் என்னது காவா
அதெல்லாம் நந்தி வாங்க.
நந்தி.
me right now
இந்த பாருங்க இதுதான் சைனீஸ் கேரக்டர். இங்க வந்து பாருங்க, இங்க வந்து பாருங்க. நீங்க ஒரு வாட்டி கேட்காதீங்க.
இல்ல ஒரு சீன மூஞ்சி மாதிரி இருந்துச்சு அதுல.
சீன மூஞ்சா?
அது ஒரு Modi showed. I saw in YouTube. There was a Chinese face மாதிரி.
சைனீஸ் ஃபேஸ் எல்லாமே இங்க கிடையாது சார்.
Oh, this the one. This face.
Modi came here.
This the face. This the face look like Chinese something like that.
அது வந்து துர்கை ஸ்டாச்சூஸ்.
Not that one.
சொன்னீங்க.
There was I saw in the YouTube. I didn't know.
இது என்னன்னு சொன்னாங்க? இது என்ன இது? அப்பத்து.
Chinese character.
Like in Singapore also same style in Singapore. You can see in Singapore with the white color statue. It looks inside Durga statues. Durga. Inside. Inside. Chinese lion, and that is called the Chinese style of lion. The Pallava king, the symbol. You talk about which one?
So this one is what? This one is idla battapa.
Singapore also the same style. Inside the Durga statues, the Pallavas giving lot of animal sacrifice. Here you can see the animal sacrifice. So that is the statue of Durga statues. It's a statue of a lion. It's a Chinese style. Pallava king symbol. இப்படி வாங்க சார்.
இங்க என்ன இருக்குது? இங்க
சிவன் பார்வதி தான்.
இங்க சிவன் பார்வதி தான். ஓகே, எங்க போட்டோ பிடிக்கலாம்?
அங்க தான் எடுக்கணும்.
இங்கயா?
இந்த பக்கம் அந்த பக்கம். அங்க ஃப்ரண்ட்ல.
இல்ல இங்க மேல ஏறி பிடிக்கறாங்க?
எடுக்க முடியாது சார். தெரியாது.
இல்ல அதெல்லாம் குளத்துல குடிச்சாங்களா மீதி?
அதெல்லாம் கிடையாது. சும்மா தொட்டி மாதிரி.
கீழ என்னமோ நாய் மாதிரி இருக்குது. வாட் இஸ் தட்? This one the head broken, huh?
கணேஷ் இருக்கானோ?
கணேஷர் இங்க இருக்காரு பாருங்க.
இங்க.
மேல த Ganeshwar is this side. The lingam on top. Take a photo of here. எங்க பிடிக்கிறது?
சார் அங்க தான் சார் பிடிக்கணும். இங்க பிடிச்சா வராது சார்.